Hello students, in this chapter we will see how to format your data. So you're having some options here. That is, number one, you are having print here. It is to print your spreadsheet. You're having undo and redo controls. Next, you are having the option of copy cell formatting. Other ones are your format number as. Other ones are your font settings. Other one are your font styling. This one is for your cell outlines. This one is for your cell alignment. These are some advanced links which we will discuss later. Like you are having some services here, you're having some content related to training and certification, you're having some learning methods here. You're having the company names here, and that's it. And you have to enter some of the data regarding this, like you're having subscription like this, you have number of training centers this, you have number of learning centers this, and you're having the 5 companies, and you see here in the month right here the January. You go to the February. So let's see how to format your data. Now you can see that this one is your heading. The above line is your heading, and you want to freeze this data, this heading. You just go to view. In the view, you're having the option of freeze. There is an option that is one row. You want to freeze the one row, then this one row will be freezed. The icon will be this gray thing which you can see. This is filled with the gray color. It means it is row is freezed. And you're going to extend its height. You can going to minimize its height, whatever you want to do. So your this row is freezed. Now how you can format your cells, like you can press the bold, your all the text will be bolded. If you want to go to the italic fonting, then you can do it. This is a way how you create your first heading row and how you do the formatting in that row. Now if you can see that your services including the money, then you just select that one, and here it is format as currency. Then you can do it as a look, it is formatted as the currency. So it is the way how you format your cells and how you can put the currency or some other formatting, like you can also place the decimals, you can also place the increased decimals, the percentage, whatever you want to do it. So it is the way how we freeze and how we format our cells. Thank you.